Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to discuss about freshers hiring in LoginRadius. Let's jump into our video. Friends, as soon as you open your Google Chrome, just visit my website, which is google360.com. We have multiple jobs. Now just click on the star icon so that my website would be bookmarked, so can you access it easily. So we are going to discuss about this job, Associate Software Engineer in LoginRadius. I have opened the link. So the job has been opened. So LoginRadius is hiring freshers for Associate Software Engineer position. Education criteria B.Tech, and the location is Jaipur and Hyderabad. And this is what I got to know. LinkedIn is a source for this job. I got this job from LinkedIn post. So that is the reason that I got email address of the HR as well. So basically these people are hiring for freshers in both Jaipur and Hyderabad location. And if you want to apply, just share your updated resume with jyoti.panda@loginradius.com. So what kind of skills they are looking for is basically for any fresher this would be applicable for them. For any freshers they need some sort of knowledge on C, C++ or Java. One programming language, I would say. One programming language, one database DBMS language, which is SQL or MySQL, and one web programming language like HTML or CSS or JavaScript. So basically HTML would be fine, I would say, and one Linux or Windows OS. So this is what they need as a fresher to get a job. So if you have scored like 60%, that's okay. Just if you have some knowledge on HTML, CSS or Java or Python or C++, you can apply for this role. And let's talk about the salary part. I just got only one source from the Glassdoor, and they are paying like 7,24,000 per year. It is average pay, but what I strongly think is the salary for the fresher would be at least 4.5 in this company. So for the people who are in Rajasthan, it's a great opportunity. And that's it friends. In my upcoming video I would be reviewing LoginRadius company, which is pretty small company but a product based company, and let's talk about more on that video. And until then, keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.